Good morning, students. I hope all are you safe at your home. Today your textbook Beehive lesson number 1. The story is the fun they had. Okay, so you have two books. Movements we have already started first and second lesson, and today we have to start the fun they had lesson number 1. So before we start the story, we shall read in the future. Okay, the story is shall the set in the future. When books and schools, as we know now, at present we are also studying in the by mobile, online classes and recording. Okay, so they were two brother and sister, and they thought maybe in future books were not there, will be not there, teachers will be not there, and that's why this lesson is belongs there. So schools of the future. Margie even wrote about in that night in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. That means now 2020 only. Today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Okay, they turned their pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read orange words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed on a screen. And then when they turned back of the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read at the first time. "Gee," said Tommy, "what a waste. When you were through with the book, you just threw it away." Actually, they were two brothers and sisters, and sisters didn't love the homework, didn't love the classwork. She don't want to read the lesson books. She hated books, and she thought mechanical teacher will become and they will be teach them. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I would not throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. There is the conversation of brother and sister. There is the conversation of brother and sisters. She was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13 because she was younger than her brother. Then after, she said, "Where did you find it?" So when he thought, when their conversation were there, so that time she thought, maybe in future, the books will be not there. "In my house," he pointed without looking because he was busy reading, "in the attic." What is about attic is space just below the roof, used as a storeroom. Storeroom, that means in where we can keep our things, unnecessary things we keep in the place. That is called storeroom. Suppose at your home also storeroom is one there, because so many things are not used in each and every time. Suppose when you have to shift it in any house to next house, that time packing box you use that one, but in the regular time it is not necessary for you, so you should be kept in the storeroom. So many things. Suppose your new television has to come, and television box also there, so you should be kept in the storeroom. So that is called storeroom. Storeroom, that means unnecessary things which are not used for in our daily routine. That time we kept in that place. That is called storeroom. Okay. School. Margie was scornful. School. What is the school? What is the school? Why did they write about school? I hate school. I already told you. The girl, she hated the school. She don't want to go to the school. Due to that her school was beside of her bedroom. Okay, Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been. Who is the mechanical teacher? Robert. Obviously, in future, now 2020, due to lockdown, we are studying through the mobile, through the laptop, recording online. Students also, teachers we are also. But in future, maybe 2157, that time teachers should not be school will be there, maybe teachers will be not there, maybe only mechanical teacher, that means they are doing each and everything like a robot. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing odds and odds until her mother had shaken her head sorrowful and sent to the country inspector. The country inspector, that means who was the whole class in the through the machine. Now, can you imagine before 6 months ago, you would be read and write through the mobile. Your teacher would be give the instruction, teach you by the mobile. Can you imagine? So it happened. At present, our situation outside of our whole country, not only our house, whole country, our situation is like that. That's why it is going on. So we are also accepted at present mobile. We can use the mobile as a instead of book and notebook. Okay. So he was round little man with the red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. Obviously, he smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old. And the mechanical teacher calculated that I already explained them who is the mechanical teacher. At present we are human being. We teachers are human being. Your teachers are human being. We also taught from our teachers who were the human being. In future, not now. As soon as possible, maybe not. Maybe, yes. So, 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. At present, we give the marks to your paper first, then mark sheet. At new calculation is there, you are getting your marks through online from the school. But before 20 years ago, it was not possible. But at present, day by day, we are facing the modern life. Okay. Due to Corona, we are studying through the mobile or laptop, online recording. But can you imagine before 6 months ago? No. But then they passed away. Then that's why. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault. Mrs. Jones, I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. Gear matlab adjust to a particular standard or level. Geography, that means you know in your history, geography and civics, like SS. History, geography and civics. There you know SS, social studies. Before that, you learn EVS. They are also each and everything uncalculated. Part of geography, part of history, part of political science, all are there. That present, that is called SS. The overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. I learned only geography. Compulsively, I have no idea about the history. I have learned only geography. That means you have to learn each and every subject. You should be give the important to all subjects. All subjects are equal for you. Up to 10 standard must be, because your result will be declared with the all subjects. In one subject maths, 70 above, and then SS 40 below. It is not right. So you have to give the best. You have to practice each and every subject. You think up to 10th standard all subjects are equal. All subjects you need to pass. If you will get the marks, then you will be passed. Otherwise, you will fail in one subject or two subjects. So most important, you are a 9th standard student. So you have to start from now, beginning your life, because 10th standard you are going to give the board. Already our classes started in as well April. Then you are getting the summer vacation. Then start full form June. But due to Corona, due to the situation of our surrounding, class is not going, but online recording, each and everything going on. And you are a student, grow up student. So be careful. Every day you have to read, you have to study. Don't say, Mommy, I have no class today, I don't want to go to school, so I have to sleep. No, don't waste your time. Time is very important. That's why say time is money. If your time waste, that time will never come back. Never come back. So time, if any time will be, suppose today is 26th June 2020. Early in the morning, you have taken your breakfast. That time was 9 a.m. But at present time is 10:45. So in a future life also you will not get the time of 9 a.m. date 26/6/2020. That means time passed away. It will be not come back again. So don't waste your time. Read the story and be careful. No need to go 2 days or 3 days or before exam. You will be awake. Don't go to the sleep whole night and read. No. From now beginning you start. अभी से पढ़ाई चालू करिए तो आपके फ्यूचर में अच्छे से बन जाओगे रिजल्ट. डेली की ज़रूरत नहीं. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. "Because it is not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago." He added loudly, pronouncing the word carefully, "centuries ago." Margie was hurt. "Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all the time ago." She read the book over his shoulders for a while. They said, "Anyway, they had a teacher." This lesson is very big. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. A man isn't smart enough. Sure, my father knows as much as my teacher. Then after, he knows almost as much, I believe. So that means when you have to teach, at present we are human being. We are teaching. We are human being. But when The computer will become, you are doing your homework by own at present. But in future, no need to do your homework by own. Maybe it will be done by your through the computer. Computer give us our work very easy. Okay, so don't wait for computer. You do your work on time. He knows almost as much I betcha. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. She said, I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kind kids went there. That means, and all the kids learned the same thing. In the school, when you have to come to the class, all students are equal for us. Not a special students, not a first boy, last boy, I don't know. We know only you are a student of 9th standard. Who has to come rich family, who has to come from poor family, who has to come the middle family, we don't know. No caste, no religion, no status. We don't want to see this one, because teachers love each and every student, and every students are equal for every teacher. That means teachers always do his or her duty on same way. All students are equal for us. Okay. Tommy screamed with laughter. I did not say didn't. Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie's school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Mr. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Maybe, he said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly, that means not showing much interest. And he said, chalega bhai. पढ़ना है पढ़ो, नहीं पढ़ना नहीं पढ़ो. That means no take any interest. कोई चीज़ ऐसी होता है हमको इंटरेस्ट के साथ उसको पढ़ते हैं, और कोई चीज़ ऐसी होता है लगता है दूध पढ़ना क्यों जरूरी है. नो बेटा पढ़ो, सब सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ो और ठीक से पढ़ो. He walked away whistling the dusty old book stuck beneath his arm. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. I already told Jay she didn't go to school because her school beside of her room. Okay, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. As it is, you are getting also Sunday. Because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. The screen was lit up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Margie did not show with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were pupil. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we had fraction 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. तो ये जो स्टोरी है, ये स्टोरी को उसने क्या किया, उसको समझ में होना चाहिए. तो वो क्या है इसमें, what is the meaning of this story? Tommy finds a real book. Tommy, the brother of the Margie. There were two brothers and sisters. This story summary, they were two brothers and sister, Margie and Tommy. Tommy finds a real book which is very old. He thinks it wastes to have a book printed on paper. He thinks TV is better than this book. Margie hates school. She has problem in geography from her mechanical teacher because she can't understand. Margie asks Tommy why anybody would write about school. Tommy says that this book centuries ago. ये आज बहुत 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 दिन पुराना. Tommy says that time teachers did not live in the house, and the kids went to a special building to learn. Mrs. Jones believes that all teachers are perfect to each child's mind. She says to them, it is perfect time to go to school. Margie's bedroom is her school, behind her schoolroom. Actually, she thought, I no need to go another school. I with my bedroom and I make that is the classroom. So the teacher to computer asks to Margie homework. Then Margie thinks teachers were pupil and students have real fun. There is no option. So this lesson told her about the brother and sister who were there like you. Okay, who were there like you. So should be, don't forget that one. This should be learn wherever, whatever, while the students, you should be learn, read and try to understand and do your work. Okay, all the best. Have a nice day.